Welcome back. Today I would like to show how to perform operations like read operation, write operation into binary file using pickle module, that is reading a dictionary, writing a dictionary and searching for a particular value and updating the contents of the dictionary which was already stored in the binary file. So here I am using the pickle module. So first I will be I am just defining a read from the binary file. So let me take a binary file which is in the F drive, that is stu.bin, okay, or any other file name you can use, okay. So .dat or something. So as it is a binary file, to indicate that I have used the extension .bin, and then as I have to read from the binary file, I have opened this file in the read mode, and then it is a binary file RB. Then whatever is to be read from the file, that is, now my file object is input file, so I am loading the contents from input file using the pickle module. So pickle.load will take the contents from the input file, and as it is in the format of a dictionary, so I am taking into a variable named mydict and just I am displaying it, and then once the file operation is over, I am closing the file. So this is how we perform read operation. Suppose if you want to read a string, see in this program I am not doing read string and read list operations, just I am performing a dictionary operation, and that dictionary, which is having a roll number and which is having a name and then which is having marks, right. So now how to read a dictionary from the console. So take input from the console, enter roll number, when it is prompted enter the roll number, when it is prompted enter name, and whatever is so now I have the three objects with me, that is roll number, name, marks, and these are the values whatever I have read from the console. Those values to be given as a value of a key roll number, and whatever the name value obtained, that is a name for the key name, and whatever the marks obtained from the console, that are assigned that are given to as a value for key marks. Okay, so now this is how I have read the dictionary, right. And then how to write to binary file. So as the file is to be written, so I have considered the name of the file object as output file, and then in which mode we have to open, write mode, right. So when you are writing, where will be the file pointer? At the beginning of the file. So whatever the contents previously were there, it will be overwritten if you want to overwrite the contents, okay. So then freshly if you want to create a binary file, then see whatever the dictionary we read. So dictionary, how to read, just now we have I've explained, right. So that function I am just calling here. So whatever the value returned from that will be placed into my dictionary, and then dump, using dump we are writing the object, the dictionary, into output file. So first parameter is the object, next parameter is the file object, okay, pickle.dump. Now close the output file. Then how to perform a display using the iteration, using a loop, right. As long as the file exists, so with open file as f, okay. So as long as this f exists, so load the contents, because as it is a binary file, every object to be read at a time. So one object is read into R and that is displayed. So I just entered this print next data, so that it will be easy to understand. So next one is next object by object it will read as it was stored in the binary file, in the same format it will be obtained. Now close the file once the display is over, right. So now see, insert is different and append is different. So now previously when we opened the file in the WB mode, it will be written onto the file. So now what do I do? Append record in the binary file. How do I append a record in the binary file? Open the file in the append mode. Now whatever whatever the dictionary we are adding, it will be added to the end previous content, wherever it stopped, no, from there it will be added to the file, and close the file. right. So now suppose if you want to read dictionary, one dictionary at a time, right. So that records, see, as a roll number to be obtained and displayed as a roll number, and the name to be obtained and the name to be displayed, marks to be displayed, right. So for that, what am I doing? Open the file in the read mode. Okay, as long as the see, while true, this will be never ending loop. So for that reason, some condition should be there where the loop should be broken, right. So using break, right. Now whatever you wanted to do, see, we are loading from the file. Okay, load one object at a time and then display, and if the still content is there, will be in the loop, right. Next record will be loaded, next record will be loaded, next object by object it is loaded, and the contents are displayed, right. Now let us go to search for a record in a binary file. For example, if you want to change the marks of a particular student, see, you have entered a roll number, something 1 or 2 or 3 or so, wherever that roll number is matching, for that particular roll number, if you want to change marks, right. So first, let us before updation, let us first search for a record. Okay, so how do I search? Based on the roll number I am searching. It may be based on the name also, you can search, right. So now let us read for which roll number you want to search. So R is the input, that is enter roll number to be searched, right. So from which file? First file to be opened. Now we are reading in that file only, we are not performing any write operation, just we are searching from the beginning of the file to the end of the file. So while true, a record is whatever the record we one object at a time, we have to read from the file, that is file object is f, isn't it. So pickle dot load, and that is that I am keeping in the REC object REC. So now this REC is one dictionary which is having roll number, that is key value pair, name key value pair, marks key value pair, right. So now if record ka roll number, okay, roll number is the key I have given, right. So while creating the, you can see, no, dictionary, how did I create, you can see. So read dictionary, see, that is first is roll number is the key and this is the value. Next name is the key and this is the value. Then marks is the key and this is the value. Same thing. So I am taking the key, that is value of that particular record, value of a roll number. In that particular record, what is the roll number? If that roll number is matching with our roll number, that means which one you are searching for. So then display that particular details, all the details of that particular dictionary. Okay, so now it is found, no, make flag is equal to true, right. If flag is, that means throughout we searched. If flag is still false, what does it mean? No records found with that particular roll number. So otherwise, if it is found, then here itself we are completing, and then yeah. So here itself we can break also. If you want to search throughout how many occurrences, then let it be no break. Okay, so if there is an exception of end of file, we reach it to the end of file, but still we are not finding, then break the loop, come out and check if flag is still false. So initially I made it false, so if it is still false, no records found, and close the file. Okay, right. Then so update binary file. Okay, update binary file with the suppose if you want to modify the marks of a given roll number, particular person, right. So first I have to read the roll number and I have to read the marks, correct marks also I have to enter. Now what am I doing? First open the file in the read mode, start reading from the beginning as we were doing in the previous function also, right. So now read the record at one record at a time, and all the records I am taking into record list, because in the same file I have to perform update operation, right. But directly we cannot remove something from the okay. So that's the reason I am taking all these records into a record list, right. Now from the beginning of the record list, for I in range of length of record list, from the beginning, if the ith record ka roll number, if it is equal to the roll number for what we wanted to update. Okay, so here we have read, no, that R. So if it is matching with that roll number, then change as this is here double equal to. So that is if it is matching, if it is equal, then change marks of that particular ith record ka marks. Okay, marks value to be changed to m. After changing, what should we do? We have to write that particular record into file, right? So after changing, so after completion of this entire thing, now whatever the record list we have, right? So for x in record list, pickle.dump, we will be using dump is for writing into. So that x is return, x is now whatever the record list we have, no, so that is dumped into the file. Okay, so once it is updated, then the record list, entire record list is dumped into the, overwritten into the file. Okay, okay, so write the entire content back into the file. So entire record list is there, that entire record list is copied to right. Now how do we delete a record from a binary file? So first to open the file, which one you want to delete, you have to read it completely, right? Whether first it should be found, no? So which roll number you want to delete, enter the roll number to be deleted, that entire record to be deleted. Same manner, so here we have updated, but here what are we doing? We are just deleting, right? So now open the file in the write mode. Okay, so what I'm here, directly we cannot delete, no? So what am I doing? Every record I'm taking into a list. Okay, so once the record list is found, then I'm taking that record list again, traversing through the record list, wherever that roll number R is there. Okay, without doing anything, just continue. Okay, so just continue the next iteration. After continuing to the next iteration, just dump that value, that record, that dictionary X. Okay, so into the file and then close. Then coming to the main function, this is a menu driven function. So based on the user choice, if choice is 1, so write contents into the binary file. If choice is 2, read contents from the binary file. If choice is 3, display contents, that is through the iteration function. Okay, if choice is 4, append. Okay, so here I'll change, it is not insertion, it is appending. Already for writing whatever that is insertion. Then if you want to read dictionary by dictionary, so already this is the same thing as display, but in display what have I done? Object by object, after every object next data, one more print statement I have mentioned. Okay, next search for a record. Sixth option is search for a record in the binary file with a particular roll number. Update record in the binary file with a particular roll number and marks to be updated. Delete record of a binary file using the roll number. Okay, right. So now let me show you how does it work out. Okay, this much is clear, right? Let me show. Okay, now I will be showing my output screen. You can see, so here is the option 1 for writing contents to a binary file. So enter roll number 1, enter name some AA. Okay, enter marks, suppose 23 marks. Then enter your choice to continue, Y. Okay, so reading contents from the binary file, you can see the dictionary is roll number 1, name AA, marks 23. Now let us read one more, right? One more, that is one more record is inserted. Okay, enter roll number. Suppose I am entering some 10. Okay, so now, okay, Abacus is the name I have entered. Okay, marks, suppose 45 entered. Now let us continue, let us proceed to see what will happen. Now you can see, no, so here if I am just displaying the contents, reading contents from the binary file. Okay, so if you read what happened, it is overwriting, because writing contents to the binary file is always starting from the previous place only. Suppose if you want to append, which option we should use? We should use 4. Okay, enter choice Y to continue. So now let me just display object by object. Only one object is there, you can see. Next data, nothing is there. Now let me go for let me give a choice 4, append record. So now enter roll number. Now I am entering roll number 11. Okay, so now I am entering name Sama Ayush. Enter marks, okay, 56. Now enter choice to continue. Now if you display, if you display the contents, you can see there are 2 records. First one is overwritten, next time we have appended, so it was added at the end. If you want to display using the direct read operation, that is option 2, it will display. Okay, so that is the first record is displayed. Now let us go forth and read dictionary. So choice 5 if I give, so you can see that is in the format of it is not in the format of dictionary. You can see every object ka data, right? And then now let me show you a search. Let us search for a particular, let us go back and execute once again. Now we'll continue from search option 6, right? So enter roll number to be searched. Suppose if I am searching for 1, what will happen? No records found. Now let me search for 6th is the search option, roll number 10. It is there. So 10 abacus roll number 45, correct. Now let's go forth and update the record. Okay. So now abacus ka marks 45 diya hai na, that I want to change to 54, right? So 7, option 7 is for updating. Enter roll number to be updated 10. Enter correct marks 54. Now you can see if you display that. Okay. So now once again I'll search for the record. Okay, so now enter roll number 10. Now you can see 54 changed. Yes. Now let us delete roll number 10. Enter. Before deleting, let me just display what are all the contents. So now we have 2 records. Now 10 roll number 10 ka record I want to just delete. How do I do that? Just press 8. Okay. Now you can see enter roll number to be deleted 10. Now you can see enter choice Y to continue. Yes, now display and see. So let us display. What is the display option? 3. Now you can see now only one data is there, right? If you now you can see now all options I have executed. Delete option, search option, update option, read, write using pickle module. Hope you all understood and you all have enjoyed today's class. Thank you.